Here at North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2016 Dyna Lowrider S in color black. This bike comes with a Screaming Eagle 110 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner installed an upgraded air cleaner, Vance & Hines exhaust, Mustang seat, Avon grips, and this bike has only 7,555 miles. This bike has lots of great stuff and barely any miles. Come take it for a test ride before it's gone here at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.